Hello, elementary teachers. I'm going to briefly refresh on how to insert your grades using standard based grading. Okay, so for the KG 5 through 5th grade, we're only doing this for math. So in your Power Teacher Pro, make sure that you are on the math section. Okay, I'm using KG 5's math class for this example. Okay, so over here under assignment list, you have your previous assignments that you already assessed for the midterms. So for this, what we're going to do now is we're going to create a new assignment. Okay, so you type the assignment of the name. It doesn't have to be the name of the standard. We will pick those later. So I'm just simply going to call it, for example, Chapter 8 Assessment. Again, this is just for the example purpose. Now, under category, you can pick any category as it's not being calculated, but I believe that everyone is using summative. Under score type, this is important. Please make sure that you select collect only. So that way, PowerSchool will not make any calculations, neither assign a letter grade. Once you've done that, we come here to this tab that's called Standards. And now you will pick the standards that you are assessing and with this assignment. So you can either pick just one or you can pick several. Okay, if it behaves like that, don't worry, just simply scroll up. Once you're done picking the standards that you want to assess, you hit the save key and then you can close it. Now, as you can see, I have the assignment that I created. We are ready to put in the grades. So I'm going to click on it. And I have a list of my students. Over here under score, when I click on it, I only have the option to either check it as collected or leave it blank. Okay, so, and I can start putting in for each standard their grade. So remember, the grades go from 1 through 4. Now, coming back here, since everyone is going to be collect only, you can always use the fill function. It's these little arrows here. So they're all marked as collected. And you can do the same thing here if, like, for example, for this standard, you're all grading 4. Okay, and so on. Once you're finished, you hit the save button. And if you want to go back to score sheet, you will see that there is no grade, which is fine. There is not supposed to be a letter grade for the math. Okay, that's as far as submitting grades. Something that I would like for everyone to also check, I believe we didn't review this, is to check the calculation for the math. Okay, some of you already have it set up, but if not, just simply review it. Come here to settings and then go to standard grade calculation. Before we go on, make sure that you are on ES mathematics and the grade level that you're on. The default calculation method should be most recent only. The number of scores should be only 1. Some might have 2 or 3. If that's the case, switch it to 1. Once you verify these two options, just simply hit save. And you're all set. Have a good day.